All right, so how to start a meat jerky business in 2026 if you want to do it with $2,000 or less. And yes, this is doable, but there are specific steps you need to take. And I'm going to give you the 10 things that you could do from number 1 down to number 10 and give you a realistic plan on how this actually works, because I know what you're thinking. Damien, the meat prices are insane right now. Why would I ever want to start a meat jerky business? It's not going to be profitable. Well, as a matter of fact, it can be. And I'm going to tell you, step 1. Choose the right strategy. This is critical. With $2,000, you do not build a full production business. You start as a brand using small processor or a local licensed facility. You want to avoid the following: building your own facility, which would cost tens of thousands, if not more, and buying expensive equipment. Now, you are selling the product, not becoming a meat plant. Keep that in mind, because when I go through the next steps, you'll understand why I say this. Step 2 is you want to pick one particular niche to start. Keep it simple and focused. Now, some examples would be like venison jerky. This is considered a premium outdoor niche type of meat jerky. You can go to elk jerky, which is a high-end protein snack, or bison jerky, which is more health-focused because of its leaner, less fat content. You want to pair it with an angle like high protein, maybe no sugar, small batch, rugged outdoor lifestyle. These are marketing tools that you'll be able to use as an angle to sell your product. Clarity sells better than variety when you start. Now, step 3, forming the business. You want to keep it cheap. The budget is normally between about $100 to $300. Register an LLC or start simple if needed. You want to get the EIN. That's free. That's your employer identification number. Now, by the way, if all these resources I'm mentioning to you about forming LLCs and even getting insurance, I've got some links down in the description section. You want to open that up, and it makes it a lot faster and easier for you. You can check out those additional links we have there. Opening a business bank account. Now, you can do this fast and cheap online. All of these steps are very simple, okay, and very inexpensive. Step 4, find a small processor or a butcher locally who can assist you with this. Budget $0 up front. You want to research. This is in the research phase first. What you want to look for: local meat processors. And yes, believe it or not, they do exist. Not grocery stores or meat departments at grocery stores, but local meat processors. Butcher shops that make jerky and small co-packers. And by the way, I, again, have a resource down below. If you don't know where to look, I put together a small list of small co-packers that do meat jerky. It'll help you out, and it's absolutely free. You want to ask, hey, you know what? Can you produce jerky for resale? Hey, what's the minimum batch size? What's your cost per pound when it's finished? Or do you package it yourself? Many small processors will work with very low minimums because they appreciate the business and they are on a small scale like you. Step 5, create 1 to 2 test flavors only. Now, the budget here, though, is going to be about $200 to $400. You want to start with like an original, maybe peppered or sweet heat and sweet and spicy. And then why do you want to do this? Because lower costs. When you initially do this, you can make some of this yourself at home to at least test the process and understand how it works. Easier testing and faster to launch. Do not launch with like 5 to 10 flavors on a $2,000 budget because it's almost impossible. You want to stick to maybe 1 to 2, possibly 3 flavors. That's it. Now, step 6, small production run. Now, you want to budget on this at about $800 to $1,200. Now, an example breakdown of how this would work. You have your meat plus the processing, a $6 to $10 per pound finished product. Now, again, that'll depend on the type of meat and the cut that you're using. Now, you can get it for $6 to $10 a pound finished. Small batches, about 50 to 100 pounds raw, which actually yields a little bit less after drying. Expected output is about 150 to 300 small bags, depending on your size, but that can get you started. Now, this is your first inventory, so you want to treat it like gold, and you want to start pushing it to anywhere and everywhere under the sun, locally, in local events, outdoor events, and everything else in between. Step 7, simple packaging. Don't overdo it. Now, the budget on this is about $200 to $300. You can start with craft or even clear pouches, bags, stand-up bags, basic printed labels, stickers at first, maybe a custom design of some kind. You put it on yourself. Don't do custom printed bags just yet because they're a little too expensive early on. As you grow and you become more profitable, you have to meet those minimum orders, which can be probably even 500 or 1,000 bags. You want to focus on clean, professional looking, but not fancy right out of the gate. It sells the product. You don't need to invest that much in it. Step 8. Now, price for cash flow. Example pricing. Now, the cost per bag, if it's hypothetical, about $4 to $6. Selling price would be about $10 to $14. Your goal is to at least double your money per bag. Now, as an example, if you have 200 bags and you sold them for like, say, $12, you've got $2,400 in revenue. That's how you turn $2,000 into your next batch of meat jerky. Now, step 9, sell fast, no waiting. Start selling immediately. You can begin to even sell it on Facebook Marketplace, you can local groups, farmers markets, friends, or network. You can just start letting people know that you've got it, but start moving some cash, however it works. Of course, legally. Local stores, even some consignment or wholesale accounts if you can. You have a script, you can say, hey, you know what? I just launched a small batch jerky brand. You want to try some? Great. Let me give you some samples and you can sell it at your local venue. Now, step 10, you reinvest everything. Do not take profit early. Don't worry about paying yourself up front. And I know that sounds weird, but you can't when you initially start. You need to reinvest. You get bigger batches, maybe better packaging, more flavors later. Create a website on Shopify, which does have a monthly premium cost for that, branding upgrades, and so on. So your first goal is momentum, not necessarily income off the bat. So realistic $2,000 breakdown. Now, business setup around 200. Test a couple of batches at about 3. First production, maybe around 1,000 or less. Packaging could be around $250, and miscellaneous buffer for potential other expenses around $250. That puts you at $2,000. Now, again, some of this could be slightly less or a little bit more. So with $2,000, a real reality check, as we said, you're not going to build a factory, okay? You're not scaling nationwide. You are testing a product in the market locally to get the wheels moving. So it is turning $2,000 into 4 and then into 8 and then scaling from there. All right, so if you have any questions about how to launch that meat jerky business, let me know down below. If you already started and you need some marketing tips or pointers, I do have consulting available, and I'll have some links down below for that as well. I'll see you on the next video.